What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of Gad Talks. Today we are going to be taking a basic review and a first look at the LEMFO ELF2 ECG PPG smartwatch. Now this smartwatch has two variations, one's in black and one's in silver. This is the silver version based on this case color. And this watch can go from anywhere between the mid-50s to high 60s US dollars, depending on the website and seller they choose to get it from. I'm going to have my eBay affiliate link in the video description below, so if you guys do want to purchase this watch after this video, you guys can use my affiliate link in the video description below, and I will earn a commission at no extra cost to you. And if you guys have not yet subscribed to my channel already, make sure to subscribe to my channel, as I'll be coming out with new weekly videos on the latest gadgets, electronics, and smartwatches. So make sure to subscribe and like this video for me. It will allow me to keep bringing you guys content, free content just like this on the regular. Now let's begin by diving into what this watch can do. Now this watch is a medium-sized watch with a very nice premium case. It's an aluminum case with full touchscreen. So, and I really like how the screen shape is too, because for a lot of watches, you see a circular case, but then the screen is rectangular or squared. This one, it comes in full circle, so it doesn't look tacky. So that's what I like about this watch already. Now let's put this watch on and see how it feels. This watch comes with a leather band. So I would recommend that you guys don't have your watch be exposed to water and be as careful as possible with water, because it can really ruin your leather band. This is a very soft and nice leather band here, which I like. It's not stiff, so it feels comfortable. And for about $50 to $60, this is a very nice watch so far. Now let's check what this watch can do. I like to see how many default watch faces it comes with. What you want to do is you want to long press, like what I just did, on the default watch face, and then see how many watch faces it comes with. It looks like it comes with more than 5 here, so that's pretty abundant for a watch that doesn't go online. Now let's check out some of the features it comes with. It comes with the pedometer, so it tracks your steps, it tracks your heart rate, your sleep quality. So this looks like it's it for the fitness functions. Let's try what it does to down swipe here. Seems like this is to it's your settings. This is your settings. I'm sorry, the light is actually blocking out how the buttons look. But this is your settings page. Let's go left swipe here. That would give you some of the other fitness functions. It seems like a more advanced fitness functions, or even a full menu here. So you're gonna have your sport data, your blood pressure, blood oxygen, ECG, message. It seems like you can actually read the messages. In addition to not just getting the notification, but that seems to be the case. You're also going to have quite a few other functions. In my opinion, this is a more advanced version of the simpler smartwatches out there, but it's not as advanced as a Android smartwatch, because you cannot go online with this watch. But it is a more advanced fitness smartwatch, because you can do quite a bit of things: heart rate, blood pressure, ECG. So in that sense, it's a very nice fitness tracker smartwatch, but it is not quite the mark at the Android smartwatches yet. So that's why this kind of explains the price of about mid-50s to high $60, which in my opinion, it's worth the price for the style and look so far. But you know, for anything more, you can probably get yourself an Android smartwatch, which costs about, you know, if you can find a deal, it can cost about $70. But I definitely do like the look of this watch, the feel of this watch. It feels pretty classy watch for something that's, you know, in this price range. And I don't really think it's limiting in a lot of the functions that comes with these fitness tracker smartwatches. The interface and the resolution is very nice. Like I said, a lot of watches have the square shape inside the clock function, inside the circular case, but this one comes in a full circle, so it doesn't look tacky at all. So in that sense, I definitely do think this watch is worth its price. And so that's my opinion. Thank you very much for watching. Be sure to subscribe and like. And I will see you guys next time.